show you how to play Flames on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with no capo. So right away in the intro, it's just piano, but the chords you can play are 3, 5, 5. Slide that up to 6, 8, 8. And then down to 4, 6, 6. I still burn for you. After the intro, it has that hard snare part and it goes through these chords kind of quick. So it goes 3, 5, 5 up to 6, 8, 8 pretty quick. Down to 6, 8, 8, down to 4, 6, 6. So. And the second part he goes, and then so all together that's you're going to need 4 power chords for the chorus of the song. The first one being 3, 5, 5 on the A, D, G strings. Then you slide that up to 6, 8, 8 on the same 3 strings. So 3, 5, 5 up to 6, 8, 8. And then you move that same shape down. 6, 8, 8 on the E, A, D strings. And then slide that down to 4, 6, 6 on the same 3 strings. So those are the chords for the chorus. And then at about the 1:30 marker in the song, it starts palm muting. Those same chords. Whole band kicks in. It's these chords again, but strummed out.